This is our project today. Pressurize the house. Wow, look at the house. I have to go around. We have to wash all this today. I'm still looking for the water connects. Wash all the way the front and the back all the way around the house. That's my buddy over there, try to get everything together. This the back side is not too bad. The other side was really bad. Okay, the water connect right there. You can see how dirty it is. Okay. See this side is chemical, this side not yet. So we'll see after we wash, see how different it is. We have to cover with plastic. Just make sure no chemical getting on the doors. All we have to do is just put the stick both sides so it doesn't let the water go in here. And the chemical, the bleach. Okay, we got the door covered with the plastic, so make sure no chemical going in there. Nice bleach getting on the door. All right, seems like we got everything covered. That's all the customer required, that we try not to put the water or chemical on it. So everything else is good. All right, we're about to start here in a few minutes. We're just waiting on water. Okay, we got all this bleach already mixed. We have 5 gallons, 3 different chemical mixed in there. So he already did that. I don't know what kind of chemical he put it in, but we'll see how it works. We have soap and we have the dish soap and a 5-gallon bucket right there. This the man right here. So we got everything here put together. We're about to start. We wash this driveway first, and then the next one will be the house. Đây à? Bông ngắn mềm plug thêm nội. Alright, we'll start right now. See, he put the chemical down, like the bleach. So you see all the dirt is coming down. So we let it sit for 2 minutes, maybe 1 minute. Yeah, eat it, eat it. Kill it. Đâm ra. We use the strong nozzle to spray up here, so you can see all the dirt coming down. This is downstream after this of the panel. Basically rain from the top cho mình là bươn từ thẳng từ lót nè gợp nè mà ăn lên cặp lết nó mất mà con khách mày lại rồi lại từ lót từ tàu stream good, so clean. I'll check the one he's always did. Wow. This really work. This chemical is really good, guys. We recommend this the chemical we need to. We done that one up there. The last one after this. This looks pretty clean though. Hey. Walkway really old, really dirty. So we got this side done. Working on this front here. We hope to take it out this time. Make sure we put that pressurize. We have two up there to be done. See. Here we want to brush a little bit in the front. You know, make sure that look clean. Take care of this good customer here. Alright, this will be in the front. We finish on the other side. Alright, here how it look after. You see me before and after. So this how it look new, like a brand new house. So the last thing we have to do is drain all the water on the top of the flower. So make sure no chemicals stay on it. On the lid. Oh, okay, không được làm chẳng để pra. It's okay. Tôi ngay nữa. Alright guys, this is done here. We're done at this part of the house. Everything all the way around. This is what we got left to do. Wash the concrete and the driveway. So from here, huh? Bong ata. Bánh được thơm hả?